Alright folks, this is the 4-inch flapper bug. No matter where you are in the United States, you need to add this to your tackle box. Check out the video of this in the water right there pinned on my page on TikTok. But you got an amazing vibration right here. Massive kicking tails, and I call these blockers. We got dual blockers here, and then the back side of the flappers have a single. This is going to provide a unique vibration in the water right here, and then your amazing flappers to get that attention. And when the bite is slow, this is the bait you're going to need right here. I like to flip this with like a 3/16, or I've actually put this on a jackhammer trailer as well. Swim jigs and flipping jigs. So many different ways that you guys can add this bait right here to your lineup. This is a must-have bait. We designed it. We own the rights to it. Check us out, gethookedmagicbaits.com for all your fishing supplies.